Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim the Dream Lock rewards in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you can open up your watch and then you're going to open up your dreams and then select one of your dreams in Heartopia. I'm going to select the puzzle dream. Okay, and here you will see the dream lock and you will be able to claim reward after completing a goal. For example, this one. Okay, and it will increase the dream progress, and once you increase the dream progress, you will be able to claim the reward right here. I got 1000 golds. Okay, and this one. All right, and okay, I need to have 200 points to claim this puzzle box. And yeah, just like this. And I've already claimed the rewards from this music dream. Okay, don't forget to claim the rewards, guys. After you get points, you will get rewards. Okay guys, and that's how you can claim the Dream Lock rewards in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!